Welcome back to another learning adventure with Miss K. In today's mission, we're going to become letter sound detectives. We will work to hear the first letter sound in our words for today. But something tells me Monster Ernie might need your help today. Can you help Monster Ernie? Of course you can. You are such a kind friend. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's go! Before we continue with our mission, we have to warm up our super reading brain. I'll say the letter and sound first, and you and Monster Ernie will say it after me. Let's do it. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's explore today's special letters. I'll say the letter and sound first, and you and Monster Ernie will say it after me. Are you ready? B, B, D, D, F, G, G, H, L, O, E, K. Excellent job. You know what that sound means? It's time for an Explorer Brain Break. If the word begins with a letter B sound, B, 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 jump in the air and celebrate. Here we go. Ball, sun, bike, cat, bug, bear. If the word begins with the letter F sound, make a funny face. Here we go. Dog, frog, foot, kite. If the word begins with the letter L sound, oh, jump in the air and celebrate. Here we go. Lip, lion, goat, leaf. Awesome job, boys and girls. Let's do a little picture discovery. I'll show you a picture and say the name of the picture. You can say it with me. I'll ask you what the first letter sound is. Let's try one. Bear. What's the first sound you hear in bear? B. Good job, boys and girls. Let's try some more pictures. Dog. Frog.
Lion. O. Octopus. Turtle. Elephant. King.
You're really getting the hang of this. Let's try a speed round with Monster Ernie. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Dog. Frog. Hat. Lion. Octopus. Turtle. Elephant. King.
Do you know what this means? Congratulations! You've earned your Sound Detective Star Badge! I am so proud of you. I sure hope you'll come back and join me in the next learning adventure. Our next stop is Rhyming River. I can't wait to see you there. I'll see you later, my smart little alligator.